Lane change accidents, right? A car drifts into your lane or cuts you off merging. We call these side swipes, and suddenly you're in a crash. Lane change accidents happen every day. But when it comes to fault, they're some of the most heavily disputed cases out there because both drivers usually say the same thing. The other person came into my lane, so who's actually at fault? Under the law, the driver changing lanes has responsibility. They've got to signal, check mirrors, check blind spots, make sure that lane is clear before moving over. And if they don't, they're at fault. It's negligence. But guess what? It's going to get complicated. The insurance company may argue you were also moving over. You were speeding, you were weaving, you didn't leave enough space, or any other version of the story. And in North Carolina, that matters a lot because we've got contributory negligence. They can prove you were even 1% at fault, you could lose your entire case. So even when it feels obvious, they're looking for any way to shift the blame onto you. Now, how is fault actually proven? We need evidence. In these cases, evidence is everything. Dash cam footage, traffic cams, witness statements, the position of the vehicle is after impact, even data from the cars themselves if it's super serious. All of it helps show who was in the lane and who wasn't. But here's the problem. That evidence, it doesn't last. Footage gets deleted, witnesses forget, and the longer you wait, the harder it becomes to prove what really happened. So let's talk about your injuries, because lane change crashes or side swipes can be serious, especially at highway speeds. Whiplash, head injuries, broken bones, shoulder injuries from bracing for impact. And even if it feels minor at first, symptoms can show up days later. So what you do after a lane change accident? Call 911. Get medical care the same day if you can. Document everything and don't discuss fault with anybody. Because what you say early can be used against you later. At the end of the day, lane change accidents or side swipes come down to one thing: position. Who was where at the moment of impact? And proving that, that's what wins your case. Take that picture before you move the cars. If you're in pain, call Shane 980-999-9999.
In pain, so I call Shane 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.